Meet Mr. Gated Garry. Garry just started selling on Amazon. He's so motivated he can barely sleep. He's watching tutorials, scrolling through products. One day, he finds a product that sells 1,000 units a month with $100 profit each. This is it, he thinks. So he orders 1,000 units that costed him $10,000. The boxes with the products arrive, and his living room looks like a warehouse. But he doesn't care. He's already dreaming about the sales notification. So Garry logs in to the seller center to list his product. And Amazon says, "You are not eligible to sell this item." I don't want you to end up like Gated Garry. In this video, I'll show you how to list your product on Amazon the right way and how to avoid Mr. Gated Garry situation. By the end of this video, you'll be able to list any products like a pro. Whether you are reselling, building your own brand, or just starting your Amazon journey, we'll go through every step. Now, it's important to know that not all listings are the same. There are three main types of product listings on Amazon. Reselling, where you will sell an existing Amazon listing like Nike, Adidas, etc. Second, private label, or you can say new product, where you will be creating a new listing with your own brand. And third, handmade or custom items. It's similar to private label but focused on unique handcrafted products. Each path follows the same core system but has slight differences. Today, we'll start with the most common, reselling, and later, I'll show you how to create a brand new listing from the scratch. Listing products on Amazon sounds simple, right? Wrong. I've seen hundreds of new sellers rush in, make tiny mistake, and lose hundreds, even thousands of dollars. So before starting, the first thing you need to ask is, can I really sell this product? And that's where the Gated Garry's first mistake was. Gated Garry's first mistake was skipping this one step. He brought his inventory before checking if he could even sell it. So here's your first real step. Always check whether you are eligible to sell a product before you buy it. And to do that, so here you see I search with Nike Shoe Man, and then I click this one. And here you can see this is the ASIN. So I copy the ASIN. And then I go to Amazon. So I'm right now in Amazon Seller Center. So I'll go there and then I'll go to catalog and add products. So here I will start with the ASIN. So here you can see the product is showing here. So I'll click there and then here you can see that this product has other listing limitations. You are not approved to list this product. You will need to contact the brand owner to become an authorized seller of this product on Amazon. So here you got the idea that I can't sell this product without the authorization. So when you search with ASIN, Amazon will instantly tell you one of the four things. Number one, eligible to sell, which means you are good to go. And then apply to sell, even request approval, common for gated brands. And restricted, not allowed to sell due to regulations or safety. Now, when you are gated for a product, you need to apply for getting ungated. And getting ungated usually means submitting an invoice from a trusted distributor. But don't worry, that's a separate topic we'll cover in another video. For now, if you see any gating message, don't panic. Just note it and move to another product. There are millions of profitable ungated products to sell. Alright, you have checked eligibility. Now you are allowed to sell. Perfect. Now let's say I want to sell this product here. So I will copy the ASIN, and to copy the ASIN, I need to find it like ASIN. So if I search it Ctrl F and ASIN, you can see that here is the ASIN. Or I can also copy the ASIN from here. So after copying the ASIN, I'll go to Amazon Seller Center. So here I will paste this ASIN. And then here you can see that this is the product here. So I want to apply to sell here. So after clicking here, you can see that I can sell this product. So I need to choose the condition to new and then click on sell this product. So here I need to give the SKU, and it helps you to find your product properly, and you can give your SKU in a way. For example, if I want to give my SKU, so here I can give my brand name here. Let's say MX. It is a back brace, so I'll give BB, and then I will give, let's say, black. So this way we can actually write the SKU. So here I need to choose, will I ship my product myself like FBM, or Amazon will ship the product. So it is good to use FBA initially. So I'll select FBA and then I need to give the price. So let's say 60 USD is the price that I want to sell, and then the condition is new. And now I'm ready to submit it. So once I submit it, it will actually take some moments and list the product to Amazon. And this is how you can list a product that is already on Amazon and you can actually resell it. When you select FBA, you need to actually send your product to FBA and you can easily sell the product. As we selected FBA, now actually you need to send the product to FBA and actually Amazon will take care of everything like picking, packing and shipping the product to the customer when there is a order. But if we selected FBM like here, then we need to give the quantity of how many products that we are actually going to sell. And then when we give the quantity, let's say 100, and then again, we are ready to submit the listing here. The other thing that I would like to tell you is the pricing. Make sure to have a pricing that is competitive, not too high and not too low. Just try to list the product $1 less than the buy box so that you can win the buy box. If I open this product here, you can see 70.82 is the buy box winner. So which means we need to list the product less than this price to win the buy box. So now we know how to list the product if you want to resell a product. But wait, that's not all. Right now, we just listed an existing listing. What if your product doesn't exist on Amazon yet, or you are launching your own brand? That's what we'll do next, creating a brand new listing from the scratch. But before you do, here's a rule of thumb. Only create a new listing when you have unique branding, design, or packaging. Otherwise, you will end up duplicating existing listings and Amazon hates it. So this is where you move from reseller to brand owner. So let's go through the full process. Here again, we need to go to catalog and add products. And then we can click on blank form. Click on start. Here I need to give the title. Let's say I write t-shirt for man. And you can see that it gives me the product type or category automatically. I'll select confirm. But if I want to change it, I can select other and change the category. But for now, it's okay. So here I need to give the brand name, like this is the brand name. And then I need to give the ID. So here we need to give the UPC or EAN, and we can buy it from GS1. So if you search GS1 on Google and go there and click get your barcode, from here you can easily buy the GS1 barcode. Here you can see the price like 30 USD for one GS1 and 250 USD for 10. So you can buy at least one or more depending on your products. If you have many products, you actually need to buy more GS1. So when you buy the GS1, actually we can use that here. So I give the UPC here and then I need to select this one. Here you can select variation if your product has variation like this one. Then you need to select which kind of variation you have. If it is color, we need to select color. If it is size, we need to select size. So for example, so here you can see that there are a lot of colors and you can actually pick sizes, so a lot of sizes. So if your product has a lot of sizes and colors to choose, you can actually create variation. So this is called variation. So if you want to create variation, I would suggest you to do it with feed file. For now, we are keeping it blank because this product doesn't have variation. Then if we have everything ready, we'll click on next. Here you can see that we can give the description, we can give the bullet points, and we can add the images. We need to make sure that the main image is in white background and we need to actually follow the image guidelines. When we upload all these images, product details, offers, safety compliance, then we are good to go to list the product. Let me do it for you for one of our existing products so that you can understand it better. Here we have done everything, like we prepared our title properly following the guideline, and then this is the brand name that we provided, and then our product ID, and we used EAN here, and then our product description, bullet points, keywords, and like size. Here we need to give like USA, and then we select alpha as the size class. Here you can select also alpha, and then you can select like sizes like 3x, large, or whatever the size is. And then it is machine wash. So we have inputted all this here. So all are done here. And then we will go to image here. Here you can see that this is our main image. and this is the sub images that we have. And then if I click on offer, you can see that this is the price that we have provided here, the quantities, and then handling time, meaning how many days I need to ship the product. So I at least need 5 days as handling time so that I can prepare my products here. Actually doing FBM here, so we didn't send anything to FBA or Amazon, so we'll ship everything ourselves. And below you can see the list price and like the import designation and the other information required. So there is most of the things are not required. And then safety and compliance, here you can see all this we can keep blank. Only if we see a red mark anywhere, we actually need to just update it. So there we don't see any red mark, which means we're good to go and save and finish and list this product. So when you list the product, the next thing that you need to do is to send your product to FBA. If you select FBA, which means Amazon will ship your product to the customer, handle everything about the order. And if you select FBM, which means you will do everything yourself, in that case you need to ship the product yourself. In that case you need to actually fill up the shipping template and give the handling time like what we have like shown you. So how to set up handling time, how to ship a product to Amazon FBA warehouse, that's a different discussion for now. But once your inventory is in, like once you have everything ready for FBM and once you send your product to FBA, if you are doing like FBA, then your listing is live and anyone can buy the product. These are the same mistakes that turned gated carry stream into a nightmare. Buying inventory before checking eligibility, choosing wrong category, because if you do, your listing never gets traffic. Uploading low quality images, meaning you will not get any clicks. And ignoring backend keywords and running out of stock. And my suggestion to you is don't be a gated carry. Learn from his mistakes. So yeah, that's how you list a product on Amazon from start to finish, without confusion, without wasted money. If you are still unsure or want professionals to review your listings, email us at info@ecomclips.com for a free Amazon listing audit. We'll analyze your titles, images, keywords, and profit structure completely for free. Comment below your biggest fear about selling on Amazon. We might feature your question in the next episode. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly Ecomclips tutorials on Amazon SEO, PPC, and brand growth. I'm Nizam from Ecomclips, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.